Hey, what's up guys? This is Mr. Green 2002, and today's video we're going to be taking a look at MK6, that's right, Mark 6 Jetta, front door, hinges, alright? Mainly the hinges that are actually on the car, not so much the ones that are on the door, because the ones that are on the door are pretty much self-explanatory and you don't need any explanations really. So let's go ahead and start off on the driver's side. Alright guys, as you can see here, this is the driver's side door upper hinge, and then if you go down, you'll see the lower hinge. You'll see here the actual car's hinge has been replaced with a white one. Alright, because my gold one was crashed in an accident, so I had to put a new one on. Alright, so if you go now inside here, you see the actual hood latch inside the cabin of the car and the lower A-pillar. If you go past that, alright, behind that basically, you see a hole there. And in the hole there is where the screws are. Basically just the one screw for that car hinge. You unscrew that one screw, okay, and you come around on the outside of the car to the A-pillar door area here. Alright. And then there's one more screw here that you unscrew. There's one here. Right inside there. Right there basically. See that one? Right there? That one. Alright. You unscrew this screw here. And the one on the inside behind here into the hole. So once those two screws are unscrewed, the whole hinge comes right out this way, and you can put on a new one and re-screw those back two screws up again. Okay, and then for the upper hinge, okay, so the one screw is right here, see right there on the outside of the car, here on the A-pillar, and then the inside one is going to be, you see now guys how I took my dashboard out? You're going to take this lower dash piece out in order to get to the upper screw for this upper hinge. Alright, so basically, where it's at is, it's up here. See, you have your fuse box, up here are your relays, and up here you see these blue relay female connectors, right? They're not being used for my car. My car is a Jetta S, so I don't have these features, I guess. So there wasn't anything installed in here. But there was these blue tabs sticking out, like spikes, 4 of them. I took a pair of pliers, I just snapped them off. I broke them off to get more access to this spot right here. But basically the screw is right in the spot here, and you make a left, and you go down, and right there's a screw. So that screw you unscrew in order to take off the upper hinge that's actually on the car. So backing out from here now, you see where I came from. I'll point now with my hand to where it was. Okay, so it's up at this blue thing here, then you make a left. See where my finger is? Left. Make a left. So you put your socket wrench inside here, all the way down, and with a camera like the one I'm using right now, endoscope, you can stick the camera inside the hole here, and you can see where the screw is, and it's right there. The only way you can see it is with an endoscope camera that has a light on it. It's very dark inside there. So here we're exiting out of the location. You can see where it is above the fuse box, above the relay box. You see there's two blue things here. It's right to the left of it. Right in here. Right there. And as you can see, my screw has been, used before, so that means that I changed it, which I did change it. I had a spare gold hinge, so I put a new one on here now. because the one I had originally was smashed. It wasn't mint condition, it was damaged. So put a new one. And then also there's another hinge here that has just one screw here, and there's no screw on the inside, just one screw there and you're done. Comes right off. So there you have it, guys. How to change hinges, the actual car hinges on the driver's side. Now we're heading over onto the passenger side. Alright guys, now we're here at the passenger side. So what you do here is you remove this cover here and this cover here, but you don't remove this pillar cover. No, you leave this gray 8-pillar cover on the car still. Move this, you remove this. Behind here and here, basically back here, you'll find an opening automatically that leads you to the screw for this upper hinge here. So that's pretty easy. And then for the lower one, the one right here, you remove this panel here, this kick panel here, and behind there is a hole opening for this screw as well. And obviously the screw is right here for that one, the screw is right here for that one. So one screw here, one screw inside the car, one screw here, one screw inside the car. Very easy, guys, very easy. And same thing here, just one screw here, and this whole thing comes out, and the whole thing comes out. Done. So guys, that concludes the video on how do you remove the actual car door hinges in the front side of the car. This is Mr. Green 2002 signing out. Take care, have a good day. Please like and subscribe to this video for more VW MK6 Jetta content. I'll see you guys on the next one.